A beautiful renovation has made this family home comfortable, spacious and convenient amongst a waterside setting. Hi, I'm Chris Panisi, proudly representing Pello, and I'd love to show you this wonderful home here on the water's edge in Melrose Park. Let's go take a look. Upon entering the property, you're immediately greeted with a sense of space and a wonderful renovation. 4 spacious bedrooms of accommodation, the master boasting an ensuite and walk-in wardrobe. Kitchen's an absolute highlight with 40mm Caesar stone bench tops, 900mm wide stainless steel cooker, and an island bench that feels like it goes on forever. The open plan living space overlooks the wonderfully green garden, perfect for kids to play in. What I was immediately impressed with, and what I feel most families will absolutely love about this property, is the amount of indoor and outdoor entertaining space on offer. From the huge kitchen, open plan living space, undercover entertaining area outside, the sparkling in-ground pool behind me, all the sprawling garden leading onto the waterfront. This is a place your friends and family will love coming over to for many years to come. You're located in an area of absolute convenience with regular government transport, local schools, shops. Over the back fence is the Parramatta River, bike paths and children's playgrounds that many families in the area take advantage of. So there it is. Family homes this comfortable, this close to the water's edge, with so much entertaining space, are very hard to come by. If I can help you with any inquiries, please feel free to get in touch. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you at our upcoming open home.